and the blanket out from under.
There are hundreds of babies born at Forrest General Hospital every year. Unfortunately, a small percentage of those tiny patients enter the world needing specialized care after birth. That's why Forrest General's NICU has come up with a new type of program that offers the gift of help.
Well, NICU stands for Neonatal Intensive Care Unit. It's just a special place in the hospital where any babies that need anything besides standard care are cared for. In other words, if they're sick for any reason, need a higher level of care, this is where they come.
The NICU is offering a total body hypothermia, which gives infants with special medical complications the best possible chance for a healthy start. The most important factor to this process is nothing more than cold water.
Well, the goal is to take a baby and cool them down for the first 72 hours of life to about 92 degrees core temperature. It just works on a cooling blanket. We have a machine that'll pump water through the blanket at any temperature you tell it to, and it's servo-controlled to the baby. In other words, the machine knows the baby's temperature. We tell the machine what temperature we want the baby to remain, and it does the work for us.
If any babies that are born outside of Forrest General's family birthplace need the treatment, they can be transported to the hospital through the FGH neonatal transport team. However, this treatment is not available to all infants.
Well, the babies that are eligible to start on the therapy, they have to be at least 4 pounds birth weight. Okay? They have to be at least 36 weeks gestation. Most of them have done very, very well. We're going to be following them all in our follow-up clinic to see how they develop by doing developmental testing. But the goal is when they get to school age to have either mild or no disabilities. That's the whole goal of the treatment.
Ever since the treatment's creation in July 2010, the NICU has successfully treated 16 babies in a 22-month period, and the highly skilled one-on-one nursing care is second to none. For 7 on Your Side, I'm Matt McGovern.
These were